तो कैसे हैं आप लोग? Hello guys, today we will start a new data structure that is array for the competitive programming, and we will just cover the basics that required in competitive programming, not more than that. And there are a lot of other data structures, but today we will cover the array part. And what we will do today, we will do take the input from the user, and we will pass that array in to a function as a parameter, and then we will print all the values of the array as an output. Just the basics, but a lot of people are just confused like what to do or how to pass array as a parameter. So we will quickly cover it here. So let's start. So firstly, I will take the input, that is the size of the array, from the user, right? And then I am defining the array A of size n, and then I am taking the input from user, right? So simply just I am taking the input from the user. This is what I am taking the array elements of size n, and now I am making a function named out print, not print. Let's say output is the name of the function that we are taking, and we are passing the array. So from this main function, or whatever your function name is, if you are passing from that function, no need to type the data type here, just type the name of that array that you are passing, right? So I am passing A because A is the name of the array. Now I am making the function void. Void means I am not returning anything from this function. Whatever I will do in this function only, right? So I am taking here the parameter, that is our array, and its type is int. So I am typing int, and also typing the array name, and this is for defining or taking as a parameter the array. So now also one thing, I have to write the name of that function, output, right? And if this output is an inbuilt function, then there will be a error, right? So we will see later when we will compile it. So firstly we are just printing the array elements. So we will fetch it from 0 to n, I less than n, and I plus plus. So we are just printing the array elements. We are writing printing array, right? And just see out A of I, right? And don't write it here, otherwise it will print n times here. Just cut it and give some space in between the two elements, and I am typing it here, right? Just writing cout, that's all, right? So that's all. So let's compile it, but before that I am writing it cout taking input, right? So let's run it. Error n was not declared. Yes. So when we are passing A, and we have, like in this function, output function, we are printing the array from 0th position to nth position, but this function doesn't know about the n. What is n for him, right? Or for it. So we also have to pass the n as a parameter from here, because n is defined in this function, so you can directly write n here. But in the function where you are passing n as a parameter, you also have to write the type of that function or type of that variable. So int n you defined here. Now you can use that n here. If you are writing int k here, so you can write k here too, not n, because n is now you have changed the name of this n here k, so you are now printing from 0 to kth element, right, kth position. So let's run it now. So there is an array, output was not declared in this scope, so I am changing the name of this function. Oh yeah, I have written small o here, so just need to make it capital. So now it's okay. Now you can run it, you can just compile it, and this is the output screen, right? So the it is asking for the size of the array, and I'm writing, let's say 5. So it is stacking input, so I'm writing 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now it will print all these values 1 2 3 4 5 by passing as a parameter a to another function output, right? So we are printing array 1 2 3 4 5. So that's all in this video. I just want to make sure that whatever the problems you are facing at the starting, like if you are a beginner, you don't know how to pass an array and how to proceed in a data structure. So this video is for you guys. You can see how I pass the array and how I'm printing the outputs, how I'm taking the inputs, how I defined array. So this is how I just wanted you to know from this video. So see you next video with more basics on data structures. And if you like this video, you can subscribe my channel. Also share this video to your other friends who are beginners in competitive programming. Also click on the bell icon for my new videos, and see you next video. Bye bye.